Welcome to the session called Understanding Competition. Here, we will discuss who competitors are and why it is important for any business to understand and try to be better than them. We had mentioned this in an earlier session. A customer is anyone who pays money in exchange for a product or a service which he or she receives from the business. Is your business the only one to sell products or offer services that a customer needs? No. There are other businesses that sell or offer the same products or services like yours. These other businesses are your competitors. For example, there can be several shops selling tea, groceries, or clothes in the same locality. The customer can buy goods or services from any of these shops, not just yours. So, for any business, there will always be competitors. There may be competitors for your business existing today, or businesses like yours may start in the future. Your customers can start buying from the competitors. This can affect the revenue of your business. This makes it important to understand how a business can achieve success despite the competitors. To do that, a business must have products or services that are better than their competitors. This way, the customers will keep buying from your business. There are many ways to do better than the competitors. Some of these are: first, give better quality products or services. Second, provide a greater range of products or services. Third, offer a low price. And fourth, create a better buying experience for the customer. Let us understand this with an example. Ramu's tea shop can choose to offer snack items along with tea. If the snack items are cheaper and tastier than that offered by the competitor, more customers will come to Ramu's shop. It costs more money to make a product or offer a service that is better than that of the competitors. That is why a business must focus on introducing those changes that will attract the target customer type. To do this, a business must first understand the essential needs of its target customer type. It must always meet all the essential needs that a competitor is meeting. Second, the business must understand the changes to be made in the product or service to keep attracting the target customer type. For example, a general store can do better than its competitors by starting to take orders from the target customer type on the phone. Similarly, a garment stitching shop can do urgent stitching and delivery for the target customer type for a little extra charge. The shop can choose to stitch a dress for a customer based on the picture of the dress bought by the customer. To summarize, a business must understand who its competitors are. There will always be competition for any business. A business can do well by trying to do continuously better than its competitors. There are many ways to do better than the competitors, but a business cannot make all the changes. It must choose to make changes that will meet the essential needs of its target customer type and thus keep attracting them.